What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have the real general in the building. We're talking about the general from Stone Love. You know who we have? We have Billy Slaughter in the building tonight. What's going on, big boss?
Well, I'm there live and direct, Toronto, Canada, and it's a pleasure once again to be in this city, because I love this city like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? How long have you been coming to Canada?
Since 1993, so I say it's like about 25 years now.
Wow, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, you remember some of the first events you did when you first came to Canada?
I used to play for AAA back in the early days.
Yes.
And Tari is one of them who, as a big promoter, I used to play for him in the early days too,
Yeah.
Them days I remember one of the first dance I came to Canada was for... I don't remember the first promoter, but one of them first gig was against David Radigan and I had a task, because
Okay.
Weepo and Rory used to play against Radigan, and Radigan always surprised them with some big. So I know I had a task when but Radigan was no match for me when I just started touring in Canada,
Yeah.
Weepo always have to come and beg for him to come back and play music, because from me turntable,
Yeah.
I burn him scotch body.
Yeah, man, because I know when you first came on, you were like you came with the edge. You actually gave Stone Love that edgy type of sound. Rory and Weepo and Cancer, they were more the reaching out as we enter. Yeah. You were kind of, but you had more of an edgy feel to you.
Yeah, I do it a little bit more hardcore, with a lot more feelings inside it. So,
okay. And what year was it that you actually joined Stone Love?
1991, November 1991.
November 91, eh? You remember that day?
Yes. Mm-hmm. It was a Thursday, groovy Thursday.
Okay.
I went to Spanish Town Prison Oval. It was Stone Love and Kilimanjaro.
Okay.
Memorable night that I can't forget. It was first date, biggest adversaries of Stone Love, Kilimanjaro. And basically that night is such a significant night for even Ricky Trooper, because that's the first night Ricky Trooper was going to play Kilimanjaro by himself.
Okay, so this is the first time you're on actually Stone Love, and that's the first time he actually got to play Kilimanjaro by himself.
I guess his other selector, Ainsley, didn't came that night, and Ricky Trooper was the boxman, and he had to play the song that night.
Yeah.
He was... he was himself like a trooper and going on, but I was fairly new to Stone Love dub box, but trust me, I dig in the library and I was playing a lot of big dubs that night. I remember Charlie Chaplin came and was DJing on Kilimanjaro, and my DJ said, boy, Jaro, I'm sound, and Ray, and I go on, and the crowd was like, and then Weepo came and Weepo was there, and Weepo said, I have a Brigadier General dubplate. Give me that Brigadier. And Weepo say when Kilimanjaro that time done, and Weepo said, Charlie Chaplin, principal, respect you and everything, and you don't know it's Kilimanjaro, Stone Love, and me I said, boy, Jaro, you're a son, and Ray, but me tell you this about Stone Love, and him play one Brigadier Jerry dubplate, a Rasta man, no mix up in a banger, and trust me, Charlie Chaplin was a dead man that night.
Wow, because at that time there was when songs were actually bringing around artists and stuff like that with them to DJ live on the song.
Yeah, those time DJ was still DJing live on the song, and dubplate was in full effect. And trust me, we have all the prisoners lighting up the prison, showing some aeroplane through and we getting the letters and the big ups them from the prisoner. It was prison over, and I'll never forget that day.
Yeah, that was one of your biggest there. You brought up that location there, Prison Oval. I've heard that location for years and years and years on cassettes. All right, so it's actually really a prison?
Yeah, it's a prison, and we were on the Oval, the football field where. They have a lot of Premier League matches, and they play cricket on that field. They have a club there, and correctional.
Yeah.
The Warders. The Warders. They have that club.
Okay.
Because they have a domino team named Correctional Domino Team. They have a cricket team. So the Oval they use it as dancehall sometimes.
Okay.
Back in the days, and
And would people like from off the street, or this is just strictly for the prisoners?
No, the prisoners was just in the cell enjoying the moment.
Okay.
You know, and people from the public came to Prison Oval, and you know we could see the prison standing there, and the prisoners them have them lighter in the prison, lighting up the place and enjoying the music. And them actually write letters, make aeroplane, and sail those aeroplane through the little wall, through the little blocks, and we get some of the messages them and big them up, and it was fun.
Yeah, Prison Oval. Do they actually still use that location there? Prison Oval. Do they still use that location?
For very rare.
Yeah.
Only for like stage show, and there's once upon a time some I see people using it, but not as often as they used to back in the days.
Yeah. Okay, that was one of your first dance on Stone Love.
First date.
All right, so let's even take it back before you even got to Stone. How did you even get your name Billy Slater in the first place?
Oh, that Billy Slater name was when I got to Stone Love.
Okay.
Yeah. I used to have different names before that.
Yeah. What were your names before that?
Okay. Okay. When it used to be a football name before I really bust on sound system. They used to call me Lamp Oil.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I was the one they call Lamp Oil.
Okay.
Listen, Clement Irish song and bigging me up in that song. Say Lamp Oil. Back in the days, that's when I used to play football.
Okay.
And then I play a lot of sound system. I used to play Loving Papa sound system.
Where was that song from?
It's from Red Hills.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember back in the days, like it was my sister had this friend, and he had a sound system, and that's the way I know him, and I start following him around, listening to his sound system. And I remember one night my mother sent me to some of her friend's house to get some ice.
Yeah.
And I see the sound system, and I take forever to come back. My mother beat me that Sunday evening. And, you know, when I remind her, she laugh, you know, and she said, boy, it's just a love way you don't have feet. And you know, I play Loving Papa sound system. Then I used to DJ on a sound called Deltone International. Deltone International is a foundation sound from my community, Red Hills.
Okay.
And that sound used to have a little guy named Papa Chris. He used to be such a talent.
Yeah.
He could sing and DJ like a whole lot of people, and he has a sound system. And Deltone International have most of those prolific DJs from the 80s, 70s, and 80s DJ on that sound.
Okay.
I'm talking about DJs like Sassafras, General Cheese, Barry Buck, Yellowman, Admiral Tibet, just to name Barry Brown, just to name a few. They used to pass through and sing on that song.
On that song.
So one of foundation DJ, because those days we have one turntable.
Yes.
You play the song, we flip over the version, we DJ on the version.
Yeah.
So I used to DJ on Deltone. And
so you were actually an artist at that time there?
Yes, I used to DJ.
Yeah. Okay. So, under Lamp Oil.
Yes.
Yeah.
So so when I leave there, I started playing music, and I went and played this song who was second to Stereo Gab. It was Stereo Gab, and you have a song named General Gab.
Yes, I know that song there.
So General Gab used to have a lot of DJs too. So I was playing General Gab until I leave General Gab. I start playing a song from my community again named Turbocharge.
Yes, no Turbocharge too. Yep.
Turbocharge, Elevate Me, start playing a song from Waterhouse named Explicit.
Explicit, not familiar with that. And around what year was this here?
Explicit is like 88. 88.
Yeah.
1988, 89.
Yeah.
87, 88, 89 Explicit.
Yeah. Okay.
And I play Explicit. I use Explicit sound to mash up Gemini sound.
What?
Twice.
Yeah. And this was with Glamour Wayne on Gemini at that time there?
Yeah, Glamour Wayne. First night I play Explicit in Gemini Club.
Yeah.
It was a round robin type of affair, and you know I take it to them vintage wise. I give them like a lesson.
Yeah.
You know, Welton Harry was there, and trust me, I had a better that night. They say, like a Sony, this is a selector, and because of that date, I got another date.
Yeah.
And it's like Glamour Wayne hear about that dance, and Glamour make sure he was present at the next.
Got you.
So Glamour when I went there, Glamour come and he go hard and playing some vigorous dub plate where it never make no sense, cause like a round robin style, but it's too sound, and it's like because him hear all Wicked me go on the last time, him just come all out and
and he was the big man
like
around the song.
He was a big selector on the song, and I just come and just laugh at it and trust me, just give them some studio one and mellow back the whole thing and just mash up the place, and from that it's like they have eyes on me, and I was working with government at that time, and then I leave and start playing Gemini sound because them sent for me.
Okay, so after Explicit, it was to Gemini.
Yeah.
And this was you and Glamour Wayne on Gemini at the same time?
Yeah.
Wow.
Glamour Wayne, Welton area, and the rest of guys.
And your name was still Lamp Oil.
Yeah.
I never knew that. That one, you got me on that one there. Yeah.
So I was there for like about almost a year.
Yeah.
And I can't remember well. It was Welton area was the fault of me leaving Gemini. I can tell you that because I don't know what went wrong, but I used to do my early duties and set the tone for them to come and play.
Yeah.
And one night I was at Central Village and Welton area come and him called me on the mic because me and Metro Media was playing and Gemini and Metro Media was playing, and I set the dance, and at 1 o'clock Welton area them take over. So I was outside and dance rum, and him called me and I was talking and I said, him call?
Yeah.
And then him shot me again and said, yo, like, and Lampile away there, man. So when we push through the crowd and reach up there now, he must give me attitude and face. And I said, oh, this brother, I not do my work already. What the problem? I do everything. Set the dance, pack out the record, and everything was good.
Yeah.
So he must say, boy, I deal that way with me. I say, yo, brother, you tell you this, one boss me around this, do my work already.
Yeah.
So it's like whatever I'm gonna tell Father Gemini, it was like Gemini said to me, he said, boy, the man must say, boy, man, like me unruly. I said, brother, me go work 6 o'clock. Me set the dance, ram the dance, give to this man, and this man called me. By the time I reach up now, this man I give me beer face and beer talk and like.
After you thought you did your job already.
Mr. Jimmy, I one boss me having and you I'm gonna take certain talk from them and I'm gonna give me an attitude and feel like them can't bad me. Me a bad man. I realize my play song because I love music. So Jimmy I said, boy, man a foundation and I say, yeah, but me not diss a man still, but me not like a man come go like him and diss me. After me not wrong for do nothing, me do my work and I feed them time for work, so it just work. Anyway, me never like the attitude, so me just not go back.
Yeah, just like that.
Just don't go back. and I was missing for like a week, and the secretary called me and said, why I don't come back, and I have some money up there because I did have some days where I work, and she said, you have some money up here and just go for the money and got me yard.
Yeah, just call it a day.
But I was doing well on Gemini.
Yeah.
So I realized me that night Welton area must like him just want me around because it was Metro Media I was playing against, and it's like I used Gemini sound one night to mash up Stone Love with Chico and Cancer, Jamrock with Doop Dap and Chulups, and Super D with Nuts.
Yes, Nuts and
so all out. 4 sound playing for this guy from Tivoli named Popcorn, Denhamtown Primary. I used Gemini and mashed them up. What? First time in my life, I see so much Glock.
Yeah.
Man, I must be a gunshot in the ear because trust me, I did them bad that night.
And this was Gemini, Stone Love, Jamrock, and Super D.
Stone Love, Jamrock, Super D.
And where was the dance?
Denhamtown Primary.
Oh, okay. Do you remember the year?
I think it was 1990.
1990. Just as everything's about to turn over from the 80s into the 90s now.
It's 90 or early 91.
Got you.
And I mashed them up that night, and because I was doing so well on the sound now, and that got in between me and Welton, I just got me hard. Because them time music never really make me. I was working, I was playing football, and I was multi-talented. And then When Stone Love realized now, say, I'm not playing Gemini,
Yeah. Okay.
I get a call from the engineer of Stone Love, Winston, and Winston say, "Why me you say you now play Gemini again?"
Yeah.
And I say, "Yeah, me he kind of loud them, and I say, yo, you have to come on Stone Love, and I say, where you say?
Yeah.
You have to come on Stone Love. Me I say, Stone Love.
Yeah.
So me I say myself, I was working with Gemini and I was doing my work, but I said Stone Love. Stone Love is a more popular sound. Like I play like so much nights a week. Who
Yeah.
me gonna manage this? Anyway, my little friend who's Roddy Ruff.
Okay.
Big him up. He's still alive and
Yeah.
kicking. And I said, Roddy Ruff, you're my virgin. You're a bigger brother for me. And I said, I get invitation for the Stone Love. And he say, what?
Yeah.
I said, go on, man. I said, no, how me gonna manage? Cause I work.
Yeah.
I work from me have a 9 to 5.
What kind of work were you doing at that time?
I was a bearer for Urban Development Corporation.
Okay.
Yes, I
Yeah.
used to ride a bike and deliver the mails and
Yeah.
go to the bank and make the big lodgements
Yeah.
and all of that.
Okay.
And, you know, it's like him say, try it, man, and so I'm say, channel.
Yeah.
So I start saying, I'm going to link Weepo now. Weepo say, boy, him here say, me did play Gemini, me did go on good and rare, and the engineer say, and I say, yo, Weepo say, need a defender for the sound now, cause
Okay.
my selector them can't really defend the sound like how them should have. I say. So me I say, defender.
Yeah.
You see me a footballer boss and me a defense player. You can't defend the sound.
Yeah.
So I boldly said that to him.
Yeah.
Jokingly and boldly said to
Yeah.
him, you know, and said, so I went on, him said, all right, come link me Thursday, cause we play over prison over, and I said,
Yeah.
Channel Star. Boy, I have got to take on the task, I have to put on my cap on.
Get
so I
ready.
went, go through the box. That was like a glory time for me. That was like, that was going to school, like going to school and going to a new class and everything. Trust me, it was
It's
it was
a
fun.
library. You're seeing
It
a
was fun.
library of music.
I see a library, an institution.
Yeah.
I'm like, trust me, I remember going through the dub box them and I see all these legendary artists of dub plays. Weepo. Oh my God.
Mm.
That was the glorious time for me. Not
Yeah.
even now. Because
Yeah.
Weepo is not even cutting dubs now as he used to be back then.
For sure.
So I went through, pick out what I love, pick out what I know, I listen what I don't, and you know I trying to get familiar with the box.
Okay.
And up until this day, I can proudly say there's no selector on Stone Love who ever know the catalog of music like me.
Like how you.
No Rory, no Cancer, no
Okay.
Chico, no Disco versions. None of them don't know. I could play out a 3 box that Stone Weepo have. Cancer and Chico had a box.
Yeah.
Rory had a box.
Yeah.
And then the Big Sound had a box. And I could play out of those 3 boxes with no selector ever do.
Okay. Yeah.
But you know, that was my first task, you know, and that's the way I transcend from Gemini to Stone Love, and the rest is history. I'm still
Wow.
here.
And this was like 91. And who was on Stone Love at that time there?
And 91, Malcolm X was there 3 months before me.
Okay. So you came and met Malcolm X.
Yeah.
Got you.
Malcolm X was there 3 months before me.
Mm-hmm.
He taught me how to pack out the records and everything, and
Yeah.
then, you know, I get familiar with the records too, and I get more familiar with the
Yeah.
records than him because
Okay.
I'm come like a rat. I'm just
Yeah.
looking at the dub box and I get to know the dubs them and I love playing dub plates.
You love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why up until this day, all these soundmen in the world,
Yeah.
when it comes to certain juggling anthems and they know
Yeah.
they know what I stand for.
Yeah.
Any sound see me come around, stand up around to Stone Love, they know that they might go play some song and I go draw some song.
Yeah. The general's in town. Ready to work. Okay, so this is 91. You started to move. So I guess you and Malcolm X were the new guys on Stone Love at that time there.
Yeah, and going around playing until I got more meal out of the box than Malcolm X. So I was doing more excellent than Malcolm X, and I could talk more profoundly than him.
And that's what I was going to ask you. When you came, so you came as a MC, and a selector.
Yeah.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing we probably didn't like my voice, him said was too fine.
Yeah.
Man said, boy, your voice wants some gravel. Yeah. Yeah, so I said, really?
Yeah.
So link Roddy and said, Roddy, man, I said, my voice fine. And Roddy said, all right. Roddy said, all right. Drink some Jagan, man, and some Guinness, man.
Yeah.
And your voice will get some more body and start drinking some more and I get into it. And I never liked talking so much. I love playing music.
Okay,
even up until this day,
yeah,
I like playing more than talking. But
yeah,
some people get so used to my voice and love. I never know my voice was so much meant so much to people.
Course.
Some people just love
Yes.
coming to hear my voice, and I didn't know that, But over time, talking and playing, I toured majority of the world just by myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
At that time there, because remember listening to the Stone Love cassettes then, as I said, it was Rory was the first, he was the big man around there.
Yeah.
And then who came in as the new hot kids, as you said, was you, Malcolm X, then Swamp King, Nico Bam Bam, all of these guys came in after, but you were the leader of the new generation of who's coming onto Stone Love right now.
And I really take it on, and Rory was one of my idols, so I used to talk like Rory.
Yes.
Until I get into my own and start doing my own thing,
Because I remember that you guys were similar, but you had this little thing that you used to do. It's like you used to just stretch your last word.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That was so amazing back then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And, I remember I was doing good on Stone Love, and for the I remember one weekend.
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember this weekend this year, but I can't remember right now. But this is how I get the name Billy Slaughter, because this weekend I was working at UDC still.
Yeah.
And we got a date with Crystal Sound from Red Hills Road.
Yes.
That time there was the Hot Sound Roadstar and Crystal with Jam Master Al, and
yes.
I was running the place on Sundays at Red Hills Road, and Stone Love get a date with them on 132 Red Hills Road, Olive Lawn. And I remember, and when I left work and I go there the evening, go start out my records, there was those times a lot of people, when sound a string up, whole heap of people come around.
Got you.
And I see some little youth and they know me as Lamp Oil.
Yes.
At that time, and I was like, when they see me there packing out the records in the evening, me and some little youth come on and say, Lamp Oil, you're dead tonight. I'm like, oh yeah, I say.
Yeah.
You just say, yeah, you're dead tonight at Crystal Sound. And Crystal bad enough, man.
Hot.
Crystal
was it with Babsy? Was playing the song? Yes. Yes.
So I'm like, boy, them take it serious.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it was gonna be because Red Hills Road, it's Crystal Heaven Win and Stone Love.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay. But I didn't have no fear because I know my catalog and I know when I start playing some dubs. Anyway, I pack out the records them, and when I hear this, I say, all right, I'm gonna run down my yard, go catch a shower and freshen up and come back.
Yeah, because this is basically in your area also, because you're from
Red
Hills.
This is Red Hills Road, but I live up on the hill in Red Hills, so they know me.
Yeah.
And so I said, all right, because I used to play football for Red Hills, so a lot of guys down off the hill know me. And I go to school with a lot of people from Red Hills Road and Akiwak, Jackson Town area, so they know me.
Yeah.
So the little youth them comes to me and say, you're dead tonight. So, I pack up my record them and make sure I'm good and go home, go fresh and come back, and I say, why? We prepare for tonight and did it, and we play some music from early, and we take a stack in the night, about 11:30, they don't dance, get ram up, and Ninja Man come in and go DJ upon Crystal Sound, and Ninja Man DJ and I go on wicked.
Yeah.
And they don't know what I say, Ninja Man, all have vibes, and Flower Gun and Daddy Lizard and the rest of the guys.
Yes, Red Dragon, all of
trust
them.
me. It's when Ninja Man done DJ.
Yeah.
Them time they, Ninja Man did, I think 1991 was when Super Cat and Ninja Man.
At Sting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Trust me, man. I start play some what a guy named Terry Ganzi.
Yes, the outlaw.
I started playing some Terry Ganzi. I started playing some Super Cat.
Yeah.
And we use a Junior Cat and mash up Ninja Man that night. I mash up Crystal that night.
Yeah, okay.
Mash up Crystal.
With Ninja Man on Crystal.
On Crystal.
Yeah.
Mash up Crystal that night. Left got me yard feel happy. And then the Saturday I went to country to play. That Saturday,
Yeah.
no other selector turned up for the sound. It was me alone.
What? Yeah.
I played for Skengdon in Lionel Town.
Yes.
And when I went to Lionel Town, it's like the promoter said, yo, who's that little selector here alone with the selector them there?
Yeah.
And I realized I'm me alone now. I said, John Star. Me and one little guy where, or the boxman, where him did that help me like with the records them.
Okay.
Like if I play a record, he will put them in a jacket and he will press a bass line for me because them time I work with
Of
bass
course.
line.
Listen, of course.
So
Yes.
we call him Philip. We call him Selassie. Him name Selassie Idiot.
Okay.
When we say Selassie Idiot,
Yeah.
him name.
Okay.
So he was the only one there with me, and trust me. When I go to Lionel Town, Bamboland, dance, ram up and nice and everything. Trust me, when I deal with that Bamboland there, when I done next morning,
Yeah.
all bamboo flat.
Just like that.
All bamboo flat.
Yeah.
That's I heard like in the Sunday like the boss I said, boy, the me some deal with the place wicked a client and it was me alone.
Yeah. Okay.
No other selector. Someone said the man said them surprised. So them have me I was a hot commodity them time there.
Of
It's
course.
Sunday now.
Yeah.
Leng Bigger Ford and Big Belly Derrick, they had Beach Line in El Shop.
Okay.
That was when Beach Line used to keep in. I used to go over there and it
remember
was
those
Silver
days.
Arc Exodus, Stone Love.
So this is not like you're getting little songs to play with. You're playing with the
I'm playing
top
with
of the
the
top.
major songs.
Yeah.
And trust me, that weekend was the weekend of my life.
Yeah.
I felt so motivated by playing the song now. Friday night, Crystal never fazed me. I mash
Yeah.
them up another yard.
Yeah.
Saturday night, mash up Clarendon by myself. Sunday now, me and Malcolm X was over the beach.
Yeah.
Because Malcolm X live at Portmore, so him come up and come
Okay.
to work that day. And trust me, the Thursday night was the second time we played Shabba Rankin, Isle Up, all of the gun them.
Okay. Yeah.
And I did well
Yeah.
at Australia. That
Yes.
what they
yes.
did what they
Big
did
one.
in Australia that night was they fire gunshot until they shoot off the light wire.
What? That's what's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Isle of All gun them was big.
Yes. So you got to salute the song.
Yeah. So we went to El Shano. So we was playing and the dance was getting fuller and it's like Exodus. One time before me finish play, Exodus was licking shot and them sound like
Yes.
like my time up. And
Yes.
But
That
what
was
me I say-
a lot of people don't know those
I
times
say,
there.
I said,
Yes.
what that for, brother?
Yeah.
I said, boy, a time up, I start my mic and look and promote and say, yo, I know your time yet, brother. What you rush me, sir?
Yeah.
I know your time yet to play. I'm going to tell him something about 8 more minutes. And same time I said that, my mind just flipped on the Johnny Osborne.
Yeah.
I said, brother, this one I try this one. I'm just put on the Johnny Osborne and say,
Yeah.
I say, a little son boy, it's not your time to play like of your son boy. The Stone Love right away,
Yeah.
we cope you. And the place get wicked.
Ha.
And I play a Robert Lee,
Yeah.
Ramping no Skin and Ragamuffin with clip a son boy ring and the place get wicked. I play my 8 minutes out.
Yeah.
Exodus come in and go on wicked. When Exodus done now, Richie Pooh come in and Silverhawk now and said, boy, I don't know what's Stone Love Exodus on, but you know, we are Silverhawk this and you know we have to defend ourselves.
Yeah.
So him like basically put himself in the midst of the war.
Got you.
When Silverhawk done play, and I start playing, when I make my speech and I think I start with a Cabra,
Yeah.
named R.I.P.
Yes. I know what you're
And
talking.
the gunshot them start. And so when I play Isle Up All of the Gun them,
Yeah.
that song is the song that butts Billy Slaughter.
Isle of Pala the gun there.
When I play Isle Up All of the Gun them, it was hundreds of gunshot. Bigger Ford come to the sound
Yeah.
and take the mic and say, listen me. No more gunshot. And him gone back out there, so.
Yeah.
Big gunshot again.
Yeah.
Len come and
Yeah.
say, tell them no more gunshot.
Yeah.
Me say, Len said no more. Big gunshot when Len gone.
Yeah.
Big Belly Derek, you know, he was a man who walk with him extension clip. Everybody can see him gun. Come and say, yo,
Yeah.
we don't want no more gunshot. Ray, and blah, blah, blah. And when Big Belly Derek gone, I'm going to play about the song. Big gunshot.
Yeah.
The man them have to come and beg me, don't play about the song.
Don't play it
I
back.
saw me stop playing
Yeah.
the song today.
Wow.
And that song there is a song that bust Billy Slaughter because me right have Exodus and Silverhawk over the beach line. And that was a Sunday. So when I go to work Monday, me I hear from a friend, them say, boy, what going over the beach? Tuesday morning now, when I go to work, somebody come to me and say, you don't read the Gleaner? I said, no, I don't see no Gleaner yet. I say, I don't know your name, Billy Slaughter. I say, huh?
I'm Lampoil.
They must say, looking at the star, your name, that Billy Slaughter, them say your name. So when I read, when I go for the Gleaner and read the interview, now, Weepo, go do an interview.
Yeah.
And Weepo is the one who come up with that name. Say his name is now Billy Slaughter.
Just like that.
Just like that. So up until this day,
Yeah.
I haven't got the chance to ask him, where did you get this name? And every interview I do,
Yeah.
I tell him the same thing. I would say, Weepo is the one who named me. Give me that name.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the event. That's weekend.
Yeah.
I demolish everything that come across me, and he got there. I interviewed him Monday and Tuesday I get that name.
That's crazy right there because he was still the big man that would take in the interviews and all that because it's his song. So he's saying, okay, who's this hot selector around the song right now doing all this stuff here? I guess he didn't want to say his name is Lampoil, so I'm just going to give him this wicked name.
Yeah, he wanted to choose my name. Firstly, you know, and when I used to go to Australia, Rory, they said they was going to look a name for me. So Rory used to call me Martin Luther.
I remember hearing that on the cassette
Yes.
them too, because I
You
guess
hear that on
Malcolm
some
X,
cassette,
yes,
yeah.
Malcolm
Martin
X and then
Luther.
Martin Luther, yes.
So Rory used to call me Martin Luther, and then it's like Weepo said, yo, you want a wickeder name. Right?
Yeah.
So Weepo just, and that is why he's the maestro around the sun, because he always have good idea. A lot of people will see Weepo and Weepo will play music. Then Weepo is not no selector, but he have good knowledge of the music.
Got you.
So that's why they call him the maestro.
Yeah.
But he always come up with things and ideas, and it work. So I don't know where you find that name, but you find that name for me.
Wow. And do you remember what year that was when you actually got your name?
That year was like 92, 93.
92, 93. Okay. Yeah. So you're on it for about 2 years, going around, figuring out, you know what I mean, until you really got the bus that night there. That weekend, as a matter of fact. Because as you said, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Thursday, Friday. I remember the weekend.
And Sunday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sunday.
Wow, that's big right there. And at that time there, was Stone Love, was that the time when Weepo said no swearing on the song, or this had happened before you even got to the song?
Those time we used to keep it moderate for true. Chico, then they don't curse.
Yeah.
The dub plate used to curse.
Oh, the dubs were cursing at that time there.
The dubs used to curse. We didn't curse. I mean, Weepo used to try to keep it, because Weepo said when we curse, we shows that we getting arrogant, and we will make people get arrogant too, because trust me, we are Kingstonian. We're playing in Kingston where the most dangerous people are from. Yeah. So we don't want to get all those people mad. So we keep it moderate and keep it gentle. Yeah. I mean, the dub can cost the bad word and ray. And long after that, we start keep it clean and say no more dubs in the bad word, and we mustn't curse on the mic. And
okay, from there, wow. Do you remember the first time you actually flew out? Where did you go?
First time I fly out of Jamaica?
Yeah.
Canada.
It was Canada? Okay.
Oh, Canada.
Okay.
First time.
Yeah. And that was the Radigan dancer you're talking about there?
I don't know if that Radigan dance was the second or the first time.
Yeah.
I really think it's the first one. You
Yeah.
know? I would have to ask Tari, but
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember. But Radigan was one of the first dance. I don't know if it's the first, second, or third.
But it was in the
But it was
early...
the my early days in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I learned of Radigan and Rory toss up here, and Radigan make that big intro about
Yeah.
that tall man from Kingston by the name of Winston Weepow Powell, and this little Jerry Curl guy, and you know, Radigan always get the better of them with some hilarious thing, and
Yeah.
you know, but so I always make my preparation for Radigan and know some not playing no ease up on the brother you call. The brother you go hard for my son all the while. So I'm not gonna make him get the better of me, can make sure I'm prepare for him.
And take it from there.
And trust me, Radigan, between me and Radigan, we have some good dances.
Of course.
Out of 10 dances I play, Radigan don't win 4 of them.
Yeah.
I can tell you the dance that Radigan get the better of me.
Yeah.
One of them is in Negril.
Okay.
We took that dance as a joke dance because there was too much selector.
Yeah.
That night was there. Something, Iceberg, Diamond, Bill Cosby was there. We and the dance done 2 o'clock. So it was like
Too many people doing too many different things.
Yeah, and the dance was gonna finish too early, and Radigan get the best part of that dance, and he did well that night. I give him that dance.
Yeah.
Them Tifa dance, Irish and Chin Tifa dance in New York.
This was in just Stone Love and Radigan alone, one-on-one?
Yeah, in I think 2003.
Yeah, that's probably Amazura or one of those places.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, that's why I don't play back for Irish and Chin, because them rob me that dance, you know. And when people ask me about Clash, me say, yo, Irish and Chin can't call me because them the only way I would have play a dance with them, we and them have to go around the conference table before that dance even start promoting.
Yeah.
You understand? Because they rob me that dance. I don't like me's a man with war them. I mean, I like them something.
And what exactly happened where you said
what
that?
What happened is that they were the judge.
Yeah.
They were the judge. DJ Rai and them. They was judging.
Yeah.
And it was me, Diamond, first Clash, Diamond for Diamond, and Rory was there, and we all planned together, and we run the first round rampant.
Yeah.
Play a lot of dubs, and Radigan came back and played like 2 of our dubs in the first round.
Yeah.
And still end up winning the round.
Wow, after playing back the songs.
Yeah. They play back one of my Bitty McLean, and they play back I don't know if it's a Cashley Flynn or, but I remember the Bitty McLean.
Yeah.
It was brand new at that time. The one
Walk
called
Away
Leaving.
Okay, Leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same Walk Away.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Radigan play it back because him love it.
Yeah. And it's an English artist and all of these stuff there, yeah.
So Radigan end up playing back that song, and the man still end up winning the round, and I'm like, those were some of the days where you cannot play back a dub that a knock sound play.
No way.
Unless it's a counteraction and you make it be known that this is a counteraction. This is not like, and they in playback and they don't hear, and it's 2 dubs them. I would have to ask Diamond or Rory if they remember the next dub, but I remember the Bitty McLean
for sure.
Yeah, I have it brand new, and I didn't want to save it because I know Radigan's supposed to have it and love it. So I played it in my first set. Radigan come and play it back, and they make Radigan win the round. And when the night end, Radigan must win the Clash by 1 point.
Wow.
You know, and I was like, if I got that round, Radigan wouldn't win.
Yeah.
You know, and you're not supposed to play back my song and then end up winning the round. That's a joke, and I feel dejected about it until the whole night. I was like, I lose my cool.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, same Irish and Chin. They had me in a 45 shootout too.
Yes, I remember
in New York.
that. Yes.
And then robbed me that night again.
What? Who was in that one?
Mighty Crown was in that clash.
Yes.
Stone Love, Mighty Crown.
Was it Addy's?
Addy's. I think Addy's was in there too.
Yes, it was 3 or 4 songs that was in. It wasn't too much for you guys that were in that one there.
I remember Mighty Crown was in there.
Yeah.
I don't remember the next 2 songs, but I didn't say I play back 2 songs. I said, which 2 songs?
Yeah.
Because those time was record.
Yes.
So I had my record box, and whenever time any record play,
Yeah.
I would take it out and put it over there.
Got you.
But they hear, I can tell you one of the songs that they say I play back.
Yeah.
When Bounty Killer had Priceless label,
Yes.
and he had a song named Interview,
Yes.
and he have a one named Preview and Interview.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask
Me gonna
who you?
ask who you gonna take interview.
Yeah.
And the next one say East Indian and
Yes. They were similar. Yes. Yes.
so if you
yes.
don't know the two songs different,
Yeah.
you might think it's the same song.
Yeah.
They said me play back on it. I said no, it's two different songs.
Yeah.
And they take the round from me because of the song. So they make mistake and say I play back the song and it's not a playback. It's a different song. Because they couldn't specifically tell me, they say I play back a Bounty Killer. I say no, Interview is different from East Indian.
Yeah.
And then take the round from me. The Mighty Crown car favoritism. And I'm like, I war them man. The way I feel me, I say, boy, I miss them man at Jamaica. Time it them up. Yeah, man.
And this was the 45 was the second time that you got the Rob, or this was the first time and then the Radigan was the second?
I think the 45 was the first one.
Yeah.
And then me and Rory and that one team up and go for Radigan the clash, and then Rob with the clash again in the first round, and I'm like, but Radigan have a good repertoire here. Anytime we buck up, because I play Radigan in Brooklyn.
Yes.
And I remember he was acting like he might take it easy. I'm gonna take the clash to him. I'm saying, Radigan, you feel like something like, wow, I stone over and Radigan, and you come here and go and like say, yeah, hold back. But now he's up and I'm rush him.
Yeah.
And Radigan said, you, Billy Slaughter, I heard you make the talk, but make sure you can walk the walk. And Ray, and blah, blah, blah. And he come and he play some song, and trust me, I mash him up with a burning spear that night.
Yes, I remember that one there. Yes.
Radigan
Because that was the first time.
Stage
Yes, God.
and say, crowd people, I lift my hat to Stone Love. First time I heard a song playing Burning Spear.
Yes, I
Mash
remember
him
that
up
one
that
there.
night.
Yes.
And so I have some dance that I remember. I went to play it at Rory's birthday in England. Stone Love Radigan. And Rory was in Japan.
Yeah. Okay. And this was his birthday.
And this was Rory's birthday.
Yeah.
And the way that dance nice. One lady come ask me, where's Rory?
Yeah.
I'm a mash up Radigan that night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had we have some nice dance with Radigan, but it's like in this thing when it comes to Stone Love, I fear no song
At all.
Right now I'm asking Weepo for a clash.
Yeah.
And he's the coward one.
That's what I was gonna ask you. So it's not that the selectors don't want to clash. It's Weepo doesn't really want to carry the sound to clash.
He's the little country coward man.
Right. Right now on the
but
battlefield.
still, we don't really need clash to prove ourselves, But it's like at some point we have to take on some guy and show them a class, and the world want to see us do it sometime.
Of course.
And after a period of time, I guess we can take on a 1 or 2 clash. Because I see now is the time I see Clash paying a lot of sound who's in the Clash, because people sound is getting like 25,000 US for a Clash night, and Stone Love can charge more than that because we're the biggest sound in the world.
Oh, we know that hands down.
And Weepo is reluctant. I don't know why. He's rich, I'm not rich.
Okay, so on the field, who would you want to clash right now?
I clash any sound on the face of the earth today.
But who in mind do you see, you know what, I would really have a good time with this song right here?
As I said, any sound on the face of the earth right now I would clash.
Yeah.
If Weepo ready.
Yeah. That's where you're at right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
any sound, whether you want to, whether it be Radigan, Mighty Crown, King of these, LP, Bass, Odyssey, anyone.
Yeah. You're ready.
I'm not afraid.
Yeah. Yeah, we really want to see that, and hopefully it comes sooner rather than later.
Yeah, because if me get fed up and say me gone, me know say Stone Love lockdown, because Weepo tell me that 4 times. If it wasn't for me, lock shop long time.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want that because Stone Love is such a prolific sound. So I would like to see even after me,
Yeah.
Stone Love still up there.
Yeah.
You know, and I know the legacy is large and wide. So it's just when we people decide to have fun and do it for the people, because we went to Culture Clash in England, and they have Culture Clash coming up now, the 2nd of November in Jamaica.
Okay, and this is the Red Bull Culture Clash.
Red Bull Culture Clash. So I don't even know the sounds who is gonna be on it yet. I don't think Stone Love is on it, because if we're gonna do a clash for November 2nd, now is September, mid-September, we should be already preparing.
For sure.
So I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah.
But I hope we're in it, because I really like clashing. It's such a fun for me.
Of course.
You know, it give me chance to prepare, go back through my archives and dig up some old dubs and make myself prepare and ready. And I mean, on a given night, I could beat any song.
Yeah. Of course. This is Billy Slater we're talking
we have
about.
the legacy. I could beat any song.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, clash goes sometimes. Sometimes a man have a better night than you. You know, but
It's just a night.
Yeah, and I mean, I see so many soundmen losing clash, and they're still alive, still relevant.
Yeah.
It's just a clash.
Part of the deal. Since you're talking about clash, tell me three of your favorite dubs in Stone Love Box. Whether you cut them or you came and seen them, 3 of your favorite dubs and why.
One of my favorite dub is R.I.P. and I don't play that dub unless I'm in some confrontation.
Okay.
R.I.P. by Cabra.
Cabra, yes.
And my favorite dub played on the sound is Forever Young.
Yes.
Then Sound for Dead. I mean, Ice Cream Sound was one of them first dub, but it played out now.
Yeah.
To a certain extent, that's Forever Young and Sound for Dead, Buju Banton come take over.
All right.
And I mean, Forever Young is the biggest dub plate ever.
Yes.
In my lifetime.
Did you actually cut that one, or you came and seen that one on the song, or how did that come around?
Forever Young cut just before I got to Stone Love. When I reached there, it was already there.
Yeah.
You know, but that time Stone Love used to be saying Buju Banton, and after that now, when Sound for Dead and Forever Young voice, we voice Protection by Buju Banton and them other dub plates. And at the time, Buju called me Lampoil.
Yes.
Yeah, because I was new on Stone Love, he called me Lampoil in those dubs.
So if we go back and listen to those dubs, we'll hear Lampoil, not Billy Slater.
No, in Forever Young,
yeah,
he doesn't call my name.
Yeah. Yeah,
because those dubs got a couple of months before I got to Stone Love. Right?
Yeah.
When I got there, on the answer with him, you will hear him say, "Big up Lampile from Stone Love, and Stone Love have a right to decide his
own destiny."
I said, hold on, let me show you that.
Hold on, right now. This
is I remember Buju Banton calling my name in those dubs, and I was fairly fresh on Stone Love at that time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Buju Banton,
crazy.
Like, I was so excited.
Yeah.
About this.
This is an exclusive we're getting right here live on the Entertainment Report podcast. Billy Slater from Stone Love is about to play some Buju. All right. Yes.
So you see what I'm saying? This was like, I just come on Stone Love 1991.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Buju Banton was like, hold on, let me high point it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brand new on the song. These are 91 dub plates.
Yeah. Clap. Bam! Classic Stone Love.
Yeah. From back those days.
Yeah. And you know, again, until you pointed out, you'd never realize that we've heard the name in the dubs, but we
Yeah.
just thought because there's so many people around Stone Love, you think it might be an engineer, it might be the man them in the studio. What we never knew, Lamp Oil was original Billy Slaughter.
That's me. That's
Yeah.
originally me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And those are classic Stone Love dubs right there that you hear and you know everywhere.
Classic Stone Love dub.
Yeah.
You know, R.I.P. is one of my favorite, and then, you know, Sound for Dead, because I use that dub plate
Yeah.
round the world to generate the best forwards them.
Yeah.
So
That
when
was
I
your
play,
biggest thing.
I don't go nowhere in the world and don't get forwards for these dub plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I always like
One love again, man. Both your band and Panam Keys.
lift my hat to these dubs.
Yeah, laugh. We don't laugh with people who kill sound and mash up jump. I know the Stone Love rule the land. Rhythm. Things that Stone Love 4/4 sound. Have mercy. You want to live the Stone Love.
Classics.
Ben Wonder. Mama, Stone Love,
Rap.
Stone Love, you run.
Yeah, these are some of the songs that Million Sound tried to cut over and never ever sound like these dub plates.
You can't capture that moment.
No.
That was just there at that time. It was just, you guys were even lucky to get it. It was just everything came along.
Yeah.
And that was it
I
right
see
there.
Sound pay Wayne One and Buju Banton to do it just like Stone Love, and it never happened. It
They
just
can't.
can't.
They can't do it, you know. They can't voice it back like how it was. Wow, those are some classic there. Talking about Clash, because you seem to be the warhead around the song. Besides Radigan, who else used to give you guys a fight, or somebody that every time you guys met, it was war or it was tough juggling right away?
Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
You know, Ricky Trooper has his own style, and whenever we play, we always hardcore.
Yes.
I mean, back in the 90s, early 90s to mid 90s, yeah. You know, Kilimanjaro was, you know, when we hook up together, we have to be on our toes.
Yep.
You know, then Bass Odyssey too, because Bass Odyssey, like they copy everything from us.
What? Yeah.
Bass Odyssey copy everything that Stone Love have and do it in a, I would say, a better manner.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when we used to have our hit dub plates, and Bass Odyssey would have copy like Sound for Dead and put it with like Forever Young.
Yes.
In combination.
Got you.
Their voice like things change, no sister life hard, and they put it with Wayne Wonder, one of our top Wayne Wonder. Every sound is calling your name.
Yes,
We used to
yes.
have those dubs as top dubs, and Bass Odyssey cut them dubs in combination.
Yes.
So they kind of copy a lot of things from us and make it work for them. And you know, the word other sound that when it comes to us have a stiff competition per se for the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kilimanjaro and Bass Odyssey. Yeah.
One other one that I think you might be forgetting would be Bodyguard.
Bodyguard too, but guess what? I Bodyguard am my beating stick.
What?
Bodyguard is my beating stick. I can proudly say that on any platform, any microphone, anywhere I am. Bodyguard on my beating stick.
And
Me beat Bodyguard everywhere in a Clarendon. Me beat Bodyguard every single where in Clarendon. Me beat Firelinks off a Bodyguard.
What?
Yes. Me beat Links off a Bodyguard. If you wish to tell anybody the truth, me beat him off a Bodyguard.
Wow.
Links did a wonderful job. I proud to see him come on Bodyguard, and he was determined and trust me, but him get so much lick from me that I think him couldn't take it no more.
Yeah.
And when he went on his own, it's because he wanted to do his own thing, and he's like Johnny was kind of overshadowing him because Johnny was foundation there. But GT Taylorland in St. Elizabeth, I murdered Bodyguard down there.
Yeah.
I beat Bodyguard at Train Line. I beat Bodyguard at Big J Land. I beat Bodyguard at Corn Piece. I beat Firelinks like 4 to 5 times and see with my own eyes that him sit down and cry eye water.
What are you telling me?
A lot of people can give account for this too because it happened in real life and they see it.
Yeah.
In Manchester one night, Stone Love, Firelinks, Stone Love, Bodyguard, and that time Nico was on the song.
Yes, another warhead at that time
And I said Nico at the dance, and I came to the dance, but I hide.
Yeah.
And wait till Firelings hype up himself. And Nico play around, and then come and Firelings are going wicked and hype up himself. And when the next round now, when him think Nico going to take it on, Nico take the mic and say, boy, you someone run off him mouth and Ray, but me tell you this right now.
Yeah.
Manchester, them know I go lick them right now. And Nico say, boy, people, right now, I'm ready for playing, but me proudly, I go introduce my general.
Yeah.
I say, Billy Slaughter come in, and when Firelings see me nearly drop down.
He thought he was going to have a good night. Yes. We'll catch them tonight.
Yes, because him don't see me. And I tell Nico what to play and what to leave. So it's like when Nico announced me and I come in and I go on a stage, there was like a setup there, and I step up on it. When I'm done with Firelings that night, man, I live in water, I'm sitting on ball in Manchester. I play him at a racetrack in Old Harbour.
Yeah.
And he was having a nice little dance, and then Links come in and hype up himself and start to be a word and I go on wicked. And I said, people, when I talk the truth, but they trouble Firelings since night, them say no. Them say, who don't want me kill him? Them say yes. Me say, no sure? Them say yes. Me say, alright, I'm start deal with him wicked.
Yeah.
And when me like do about 45 minutes out of my time, I see him going over him sound and him start search. And I stop the music and say, people, hold on there. I see Firelings over there start search. Who don't want to hear him? Them say no. Me say, who don't want to hear him? Me say no. Me say, him feel lock off, don't? Them say yes. Me say, people, tell him to lock off, and them say lock off. I say, oh no, sure, tell him to lock off. Them say lock off. I say, alright people. He said, I'm done play the next dub. If him not lock off, I'm gonna buckle him. I'm gonna put on the RIP, man.
Yeah.
Trust me. I'm gonna lock off the light and left from when I sound.
Listen, can I ask you to play the RIP for me, please? Please, Slaughter, please. I have to hear this song that did that damage, that made Bodyguard with Firelings lock off.
This is not an ordinary dub, and I don't play this dub unless I'm in confrontation.
Yeah.
This is serious dub playing.
Yeah.
Mr. Stone Love.
Turn it up.
Me love. Oh God, the road clear, anything perplex, we gonna tell this here. Who forget dead, who forget people gone in a wheelchair. Oh God, people chicken cancer. Oh God, people dead. Jesus Christ, tell them to dress back. Anything else, get out of the house, I got shot. Rory with a picture. Some boy, but they say, you better do what you want to do. It's like when we hammer that pussy. We know, I no mix sense the pussy. Then we not buy. Select a some pussy, one of them not go buy. Stone up, man, on the put on a bun. It's like you pick up a
Listen.
It's explicit and X-rated, so I don't normally play this dub until I'm in confrontation. It's one of my serious dub.
And that right there dealt with him wicked.
Right off Firelings.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I remember 1997 was one of the last dance where I played Firelings in a place named some part of Clarendon.
Yeah.
And trust me, them time they may have all of the pepper seed and sycamore tree dub plates them from Scare them Monster Shack and that.
Yes.
Yo, I beat Firelings unconditionally that night. And him sit down and ball live in high water make people see. Yeah, I just the other day I was talking to a lady from Clarendon, and I said, you remember that night? And she said, yes.
Yeah.
I can't forget you did with the man wicked that night.
Yes.
You know, and you know, Links. One of the night with Stone Love, Metro Media, and Bodyguard again. Courtney Walsh keep this dance at Portmore Entertainment Center.
Yes, I remember.
One of Courtney Walsh's first dance, and you know, Firelings. I didn't kill him that night, but he was exalting himself.
Yeah.
And that time Weepo used to spar with Derek Barnett. Derek Barnett a real bad man, you know, businessman, but real bad man. And Weepo was Firelings was exalting himself, and Derek Barnett just step over there and just beat him with 3 back like Anakin. I said, you can't diss the boss. At Liverpool tell the boss about Gore and them something like. So I can truly say I'm the one who beat Firelings off a bodyguard. I'm proudly say that all the time. I played the other day with Roadstar,
Yes.
Bodyguard, Super D, Squad 51. That was Paul Chin, our publicist.
Yes.
He had a party and he invited them.
Okay, it was like a retro type of.
It was in Stone Love HQ at Weddy.
Weddy. Yep.
Yes, since and I was like, it's since this year, and I was like, Chin, why you bring all of my dopey them?
Yeah.
Ian came from Canada.
Yes. Okay.
Johnny come from America.
Yeah.
Super D was there.
Nuts. He was in Washington for a while.
Nuts didn't come. It was Dennis the boss and his son.
Okay.
They played the song. Super D played well that night.
Okay.
And Squad 51 and it's like that night I was on Richie Poo, Silverhawk.
Yes, Silverhawk. Yes.
Yeah, so Richie Poo came from New York too. So we had a good night that night and I was like, Chin, you send all of my dopey them come for me tonight. And buddy, it hurt Johnny and Johnny started talking at the corner. I said, Johnny, you can't talk to me now, Johnny.
Yeah.
You can't bring nothing name word to me because me mash up for your son. And me make you when I go to America go live.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm a colleagues them same way still because
But you have to rough them up and
I
deal
don't
with them.
I mean that's what makes me.
Yeah.
People like when me saucy and spicy and I deal with people raga. So me stay from day one. So anytime me get called up, people not like that. People like me being the saucy.
The general.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The general. Wow. Listen.
Mash can and mash up it. So me stay.
Listen, I got a couple more questions to ask you before you get out of here. But Slaughter, your openness and what you're talking about, I've never heard nobody say this before. Ever, especially around somewhere like a Stone Love song. You know what I mean? Because Stone Love is more reaching out as you enter and all those stuff there. Yeah. Everybody's talking nice and pretty and stuff, but the rawness and the roughness you're dealing with, never. Yeah. You never hear that out of Stone Love.
You have to be straight, Yeah. And I mean different strokes for different. I just come in from Spain.
Okay.
Rotterdam Splash.
Yes.
All by myself.
Yeah.
And I deal with it like a real deal, like me dealing with anything. I just try to be my best at every time. They had that 1 week thing. It was mostly on our stage is dancehall stage.
Okay.
I have sound system every night. Renaissance the night after me. I have Mighty Crown the night before me. I have Freddy Krueger.
Yeah.
All that sound was there. And when I viewed the night that Mighty Crown was there before me, I was like the 3 Mighty Crown selector was there, and there was 2 of them on the mic, one was playing and they do it alternately. And
performance giving them that style.
Trust me, you would have to Google that for yourself and see how I deal with that by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me alone.
Yeah.
And how I generate that energy in that crowd. And this is just me. I just try to be professional. I know me a bad selector. I want from 91 until now.
Yeah.
No guy ramped with me.
No, you don't have to tell me. Listen, when it came to Stone Love, there was 2 people, because I was playing song at one time too. There was 2 people that I looked up to and rated 1,000%, which was Rory, that gave you the smooth voice, and then Slaughter came in and gave it that roughness. Yeah. So if you could take the roughness and the smoothness and marry it together, you're winning right through. And that's really what it was. Wow. Yeah. I want to ask you something. When it came time to transition from records to CDs and then laptop, how was that transition for you and Stone Love on a whole?
Well, it was easy it wasn't easy to transform from records to CDs. Yeah. I love records. I love vinyl so much. Even though it costs a lot of money to go, because whenever one of our dub plate scratch, we have to go to Dynamics and cut over that dub plate just to make sure it's always clean and. And when the CD was, it took me a while to transcend from records to CD, until I realized, oh my God, this is much easier, and I could have so much copy of my favorite CD and put down, and until it go bad, and I was like, but it's not so authentic like the record. Anyway, it took me a while and we transcend. I lost some of my dub plates from transcending from dub plate to CD.
To CD.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But those dub plates are in the archive.
Got you.
It's in the studio on 24
Yeah.
track, 2 track, and that they're in there. But,
Yeah.
but I lost them, so we'd have to go reprint them.
Yeah.
And put them on a hard drive and thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I want some Clash. So I want to do the work.
Yeah. You want to go back into the
in
archives
and
pull them out.
Listen me.
Yeah.
When I think of a lot of artists that when I was a young kid on Stone Love,
Yeah.
all of those artists on dub plate, we don't have them in our hands right now. They are in the archives.
Okay. So a
we
lot of
go
what we
as to-
heard back then, a lot of them you guys don't have in the laptop and stuff right now.
Alternately, Delroy Wilson, all of them, man, I have dozens that don't play with them, and I don't have them now. They are in the archives.
What?
So we has to go reprint them and give them back to us too.
Yeah.
So I want to get in the archives and get out, because right now I can see now we're talking about new generation of artists, the six them, and I want to
Yeah.
put those guys on some of the original rhythm.
So
I
then
don't
you
want
can
to
mix them
on
all
these,
together.
Yeah, because these rhythms don't last long.
Yeah.
You put them on these rhythms, the 6 months, you come like, hear them singing again. When you
Yeah.
put them on the original rhythms, these dubs gonna be authentic and last forever. So from CD now to laptop, then, I burn off all my CDs.
Yeah.
Put in my laptop. So I have hard drives now, so terabytes and terabytes of music. So this is fine.
Yeah.
And this is very much easier, just walking
Pick up
around
your
with
laptop and you're
hook
gone.
up on a sound system, and yeah. Back in the days, I used to have to struggle with those hard boxes and dub plates, and sometimes I couldn't carry all of my dub plates. I have to take out some and say, boy, I don't need
Yeah.
these one, and choose what I want to travel with,
Yeah.
pay for them at the airport and travel. It's not, it's a lot easier now. I could go in the archives and take out everything I have in the archives and put on a laptop.
And you're good to
And
go.
I'm not overweight and I'm good to go.
That is so crazy those days. And then transferring from CDs to laptop, how was that transition for you there?
From CDs to laptop, it was kind of hard, because
Yeah.
some of those CDs was like get roughed up, and the laptop wouldn't take some of those CDs, and we eventually burn off everything we have on CDs.
Yeah.
And so we have our library of music that we have on CDs, from record to CD, from CD to laptop.
Got you.
But the authentic playing goes in the turntable now. The turntable, the wheel and the controller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That brings back that
That
feeling.
brings that authentic record feeling.
Yeah.
And, even though
That's so
there's
crazy.
no needle breaking.
Yeah, crazy. Right now, today, how many selectors are on Stone Love right now?
Right now, I see about 9 or 10.
9 or 10, eh?
Yeah, I see myself, G-Force, Diamond, Fire Us, Randy Rich, Google Mental, Ice Kid, Bubba Taj, Raheem, Dwayne Paul, Scary Gary, 11. 11 of us.
11.
Yeah.
And what's the real difference with all the 11 selectors on the sound?
Well, some is more experienced than some.
Okay.
Some is work in progress to acceleration. Some of them stuck one place and now move.
Okay.
And sometimes me and them argue, because me I say, you must try to elevate on yourself, because guess what? If you go somewhere and play, go and leave your footprint.
Yes. 100%.
Do what you have to do to let those people talk about you when you're gone.
Yeah.
And that's the way you're gonna stay up there and keep moving to greater heights. But some of them are they take this thing as like a dress rehearsal, and I look on it and say, if I'm so not gonna deal with your own career, then it's up to you guys, but trust me. Whenever me go anywhere, I try to do my best as people want to see me back again.
Yeah.
And that is where I stay current and relevant. But this have some other sons, I don't know what they're doing. They just, You see, this is the level of music and how you serious you take music.
100%.
I don't take music as a dress rehearsal. I don't even look at money.
Yeah.
When I have a gig, I just want to go do a wonderful gig. So next year, if the promoter want me back, I'm there. Or if I have a choice, then because I can tell you, even for New Year's Eve this year, I have 5 dates.
What?
I have 5 dates.
Yeah.
And it's for people that I play for, and they want me back.
Yeah. So you just got to choose which
So
one
I have
you
to
really.
choose which one to be.
Yeah.
And-
Because there's
and
not
some
5
of-
generals.
And some of them selector I end up getting some of my dates, and
Yeah.
and my footstep is not easy to fill.
Yeah.
So I always tell them, if you want to do good, you have to go try do as good as me or better than me. So whenever you get the chance to go play with somebody, do your best, left your footprint, left them with taste in their mouth that they want back. So if you're not willing to do that, then
Yeah.
you're gonna go one place and play, and next year you can't go back there because they don't want you back.
Wow.
'Cause you never did as much as you should.
It's like they got the name Stone Love, the umbrella, but that's good. But you still got to show and prove why we're going to bring you back as you under Stone Love. We'll bring back Stone Love the song, you know.
Yeah.
But we want to know why we'll bring you back kind of thing. And that's what they got to figure out.
Yeah, I tell them all the time. Sometimes when I try to motivate them, I don't know if they think it is a multitask or
Yeah.
sometimes I just feel like say, my name if say nothing to them because they
Yeah.
might feel like I fight against
Yeah.
them. And I'm telling them my secret.
Yeah.
You know, I said
the
brother,
longevity.
when I go out there, if I don't play well, I don't sleep well.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, that's the way I have the love I have for music. You know, I like to let people please, and I have an next thing with me whenever I go anywhere, and no matter how much mash up the dance, tomorrow morning I'm gonna me hard.
Yeah.
You know, these people calling me, yo, where the boss, you know, come link with tonight. I say, but at Jamaica, me there, you know. I don't-
In and out.
in and out. I don't
Yeah.
stick around and idle, you know.
That's not your thing.
None of my thing that.
At the end of the day, what do you want your legacy to be? If you were to disappear today, what do you want your legacy to be?
Well, my legacy is something that so much selectors embrace. I can tell you so much selectors
Yeah.
that play music just because they want to be like a Billy Slaughter.
Of course. Of course.
And you know, my legacy is like I want people to learn and willing to say, and they will tell you
Yeah.
that I'm one of their idol. Even I remember this guy surprised me one night because this guy I looked on this guy and I said, this guy really can work. And you know, when I hear him do an interview, and Liquor Richie said Billy Slaughter.
Yeah. And you're talking Little Richie from Swatch at that
from
time. there.
Swash, yeah. I said, Billy Slaughter make me want to play music and my idol. That I'm saying, yeah.
Yeah.
And I come and look to that youth and I said, no, this youth is a workaholic and I like how him deal with it. And there's so much of them. Even I used to even argue with Mataran and Trooper them.
Okay.
I say, you want a guy on a bus, nobody. Nobody don't want to be like Uno. Many you're a selector, so they want to be like a Rick Trooper or like a Mataran.
Yeah.
I always say, selector, I say, boy, Slaughter, you make me love music and you make me play music. I'm like, I inspire so many people, and I sometimes I think of going in producing, but I like radio.
Yeah. Okay.
more.
Yeah.
I like radio. And I'm going to go into radio business. I have a couple of people who link me already, and I haven't been there yet.
Yeah.
But, Diamond is in radio now.
Yes, I seen that.
And congratulate him and I encourage him to go on. And I'm setting up myself to start with them too, because they ask me and I say, okay, when I get comfortable, then you know, I'll do it from my home.
Yeah.
Because that's internet radio. So I'm gonna be in it someday soon.
Yeah.
But I like radio, and I've been encouraging people to have a radio station for itself.
1000% agree, boss.
And I said, people, and them said, boy, the only thing left after him put up the pole and get the license. I said, the people where you wait for?
Yeah.
Man, I said, boy, so who are going to run the radio station? I said, we selectors, all of us.
Yeah. We'll have a schedule and we'll come in and do what we need to do.
It's simple.
Yeah.
It's
Just
simple
like you
thing.
schedule us out to play and we know where everybody's going to be in advance, whatever the case is, it's going to be the exact same thing for the radio
So I
station.
tell him, we ready for a radio station. I don't know what he's dealing with, but if he's not gonna do it,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna try to seek to do something like that.
Get it
for
together.
myself.
Even that's a good point that I even got me there. When it comes to scheduling, how do you guys actually schedule and manage this? Because you guys aren't dealing with a local area. You guys are dealing with worldwide. How does the scheduling go?
So many people call me for Stone Update. Sometimes I think I'm the office.
Yeah.
So up until even now, it's like even most of my traveling, I'm kind of like managing it myself.
Okay.
You know, promoters like have to tell me, talk to me before they book the ticket and all of that.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I'll be here and not going back home. I'm going somewhere else to
Yeah.
play. So I have to be like doing my own schedule. And it's like if somebody called for a date from me, then I'll put them on to the right person
Yeah.
to monitor that date. I have a booking agent in Washington,
Okay.
Omar, or send them to the office in Jamaica, and the office will tell them if the date is available, and who's monitoring the date then can just deal with the promoters per
Yeah.
se.
That's crazy right there. Slata, before I get you out of here, is there anything, the floor is yours now, anything you want to say, any big ups, any contact, any social media, anything, the floor is yours right now.
Well, I mean, that's why I'm big up the world, and I'm saying, Stone Love is my life. A lot of people, a lot of sound man link me, want me playing their sound.
Yeah.
And when I look at it, I just say, Stone Love is the highest institution in dancehall music, and I will never leave Stone Love and play a next man's sound.
Yeah.
If I left Stone Love and my sound, I go play.
Makes sense.
If I do it, I would just do it to show maybe somebody that I'm this giant.
Yeah.
I can move any sound. And I know that. But I just think Stone Love is the highest institution in dancehall music, and I stick there for 28 years. And I have a little sound for myself in Jamaica, but
Okay.
because I'm not ready, I don't want to move from Stone Love, or I don't want the boss to feel like I'm leaving Stone Love.
Got
I don't
you.
even give that sound a name.
Yeah.
I stays at my bar and
Yeah.
play, but
Okay.
Stone Love is my life.
Yeah.
I'm the face of Stone Love, and everywhere I go,
Yeah.
people see me as Stone Love, and I love Stone Love, and I'm there, still there for 28 years. I
Yeah.
hope the boss will listen more to me, because
Yeah.
I've been such a good learner from Stone Love. There's nothing in music that anybody outside this world can teach me. I can say, yes, I know that,
Yeah.
because I've been so experienced, traveling, playing, everything. I have every genre of music in my computer.
When I came in, I heard you playing
Yeah,
so I heard you
have-
playing some different
I have
music when I got it.
techno, salsa, I have mento, I have ska.
Yeah.
Everything I have in my laptop. I'm an all-rounded selector. I play for Indian people.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
music is my life, and I'm just saying, for those little selectors who's trying to play music, be true to music. Because even in Jamaica, I have problems with these selectors who's like want to charge a producer to play music. Back in the days, we didn't do that.
Yeah.
It's okay if you have your song and you want to give me a thing and to prompt me to play that
Yeah.
song more often, or keep playing the song.
Yeah.
But these, you have some because new selector, I even have them on my song too. They are sticking up promoters. I mean, I like that.
Yeah.
Sticking up producers to play
To play their
to
song.
play a song. I mean, I
Yeah.
like that. Music and music. And Bob Marley tell them music gonna teach them one lesson. We could never live without music.
Ever.
And anything you're going through, music can soothe your sorrows, music can make you happy, music can make you sad. Music make me cry.
100%.
Music is music, and it's a very powerful thing on earth, and we mustn't be treating music like that, because it's going to turn around on earth. Music is medicine.
Yes.
Music is life.
Yeah.
And I don't like the idea of a producer going into music and you're gonna come to the station and you're gonna say, boy, stick there. If you not have that, not gonna work,
Yeah.
You're charging promoters, producers to play music.
But this
Bring
is
the
we
music.
need
If I
the
like it,
music. Yeah.
I don't like it. Bring the
Yeah.
music.
Yeah.
And if you wanna prompt me, then yeah, but don't stick me up. I don't like that. big up to all of the producers them still, you know, and we have good producers, we have better producers back then, we have producers still trying now.
Yeah.
Some of these producers, I don't know if they just doing producing because they are involved with the artists and they can make a rhythm, but you must try and do good music that can last.
Of course, that lasts long.
Yeah, I don't see these 2,000 songs lasting for 6 months and a year anymore. And I like when music is so bad that you can't stop playing it. Because if you don't play it and the next selector will play it by you, it's like, you get a better response, get such a response, like a whole music sounds so brand new. I like when producers make good music, so keep on making the good music. I'm just big up every sound man, you know, because I guess I love sound man, and I love sound business, and I love sound man with true to the business, not cheating the business. I don't like splice dub and them something there. Because that's cheating the business, you know. And just keep the thing real, and music is music, and music is love, and music is message, and music is life. Just keep it true. And
you're good.
I'm going to say to all of my colleagues and family and friends, just put God in front, because me is a strongly believer in the Almighty, and me just never stop. Never stop give thanks and praise to the Almighty, because me say God first and mankind after, you know.
100%.
Yeah, man.
Are you on any social media, Instagram, Facebook, anything?
Well, you can find me on Facebook as government name Esran Phillips.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm on IG too.
Okay.
As Esran Phillips, Billy Slaughter.
Yeah.
And on Facebook, my email is billyslatterstonelove@gmail.com. And I'm also on Twitter too, but I hardly use that account.
Yeah. Well, I guess they're more or less Instagram or Facebook.
It's just Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
I'm on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
876-568-3350. That's my number.
Yeah.
WhatsApp me anywhere from. I use my WhatsApp worldwide.
Isn't that amazing? No, don't you remember one time, because you've been traveling a long time, you understand, one time you used to get calling cards to call back home and they run out quickly?
Oh my God. I remember I come to Canada one time and use the hotel phone to call back my girlfriend in Jamaica to say, I'm good, I have to pay so much money. I'm like, no, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I use WhatsApp everywhere I go. I just want my Wi-Fi.
Internet, and you're good. And you're good. It doesn't matter where you are on earth. And you're good.
Now we have to give thanks to new innovation and thing and new, you know.
Slaughter, it's been
enough respect,
amazing. Man. Your stories, your openness, and how you just talk it straight is crazy. You know what I mean?
I want to big up Lady Liz AAA. She's the one I'm here for tonight. And our party is like dinner and dance concert at the Royal.
I think it's Royal Dream.
No, it's not the Royal Dream. I forgot the hall.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be tonight, and it's a grown people event. It's a concert, dinner, dance thing, and last year was great.
Yep.
I know this year is gonna be a greater energy because, you know, from them see me on the flyer, them know so I'm so,
trust me.
You know, it's like I'm looking forward to it. It's called Royal King Hall.
Okay.
Yeah. So you don't know it's all about tonight's party is gonna be nice. Move tomorrow to Atlanta for all white. Having my birthday party in New York.
Okay.
16th of the month November inside Club La Rose in the Bronx.
Yes.
That's gonna be an epic one too.
Yeah.
So looking forward to it.
All right, definitely, Slaughter. It's so amazing. I can't wait to actually sit down and speak with you again.
Yeah,
because you have so many stories.
I have so many stories,
Yeah.
and I'm searching for an editor because I'm ready to write my book.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because somebody has to document the history.
Yeah.
The document, how it originally started with people documenting was cassettes.
Yeah.
Then it went to CDs, now it's on the internet. But we need your personal, introspective. So you're the one saying it from your way of how you seen it.
Yeah, I really need an editor because I have so much more to my life.
Yeah.
Because this is just like a portion.
Yeah.
Just a small portion.
Yeah.
I'm a soccer player. I have so many accolades at my house.
Okay.
In soccer.
Yeah.
I love domino. I have so much domino trophies.
Okay.
I am a sports person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So music is your sport.
Yes.
It's another one of your sports.
Yes.
Since you're talking about accolades, what's one of the biggest accolades you've gotten on Stone Love?
There's so much of them. I got so much accolades. I play for so much promoters, and trust me, they just. I guess most of my award from outside Stone Love.
Got you. Okay.
For people who I play for, and they just crown me, giving me trophy for having their event as a profound one. I have so much trophy at my house. I can't remember about them.
Crazy.
You know,
crazy.
I have so much accolades and so much memories in my yard.
Yeah.
I wish I had pictures.
Yeah.
To show, but,
all right, the book is gonna come with all the pictures and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Selector, can't wait to see you in action tonight.
Man.
Thank you again.
Man.
Thank you again. Well,
big up Toronto people, because you know Toronto I'm a place.
Of
No matter
course.
how cold Toronto is, Canada is. I'm not afraid of cold.
Yeah.
Me there.
It's your backbone.
Yeah, man.
Right here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Bless.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.